Dirk is set to make his home debut of the season as the Mavs take on the Kings. Luka Doncic, De'Aaron Fox, and Buddy Hield, they all had 28 points tonight. And here's Dirk checking into the game. He got a huge standing ovation from the crowd, showing their respects. And he's going to knock down a shot. This is his only shot of the game, and it drops nothing but net. He's still getting buckets as he's coming back from that injury, still getting into basketball shape. Buddy Hield with the step back jumper in the corner. Kings playing defense. They get a steal off the turnover. It's Hield with the slam. Kings have a little bit of a lead in the third. Nobody really has control just yet. De'Aaron Fox getting all the way to the basket. They can't stop them. They're running their offense efficiently as Buddy Hield comes off the screen. Fourth quarter. It's time to decide a winner, and Luka doesn't want to lose at home. He's going to hit him with the mean step back jumper. It's looking like the step back is going to be his signature move. Now he bullies his way for a layup. He's still not giving up. Gets another switch, pump fakes, makes a tough shot, and one. But there's not a lot of time left in this one. De'Aaron Fox working on Harrison Barnes. He's going to deliver the dagger, a floater at the buzzer. The Kings win. They're 16-13. Ooh, got him leaning. It's going to be a long night for De'Aaron Fox. Look at that reaction from the bench. They're going crazy. As soon as he started to stumble, they're jumping out of their seats. Ooh. I've got a